delicious roasted garlic. Let's give it a try. What a beautiful day to be roasting garlic, ladies and gentlemen. But instead of roasted garlic taking, I don't know, 45 minutes to an hour, I'm gonna show you how to roast garlic in a pan, and it only takes 15 minutes. I kid you not. It's very easy. It's almost so easy, you're like, how is this actually a real trick? And I don't know about you, but I use roasted garlic on everything from dips and sauces and spreads. I put it in salads, on charcuterie boards, or just smear it on some toasty bread with a little bit of olive oil. Or my fiance would say, just like pop them in your mouth. There are so many uses, and that's why this trick is just gonna blow your mind. So I'm gonna show you how to do this. And it starts with a big head of garlic, which by the way, it looks like somebody took one of these out, and then there's this one's kind of like hanging. Look at this. Beep, 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 beep. So all you have to do to get started is you're going to take some of these cloves out of the head. So you're gonna use your muscles. You don't need to unwrap them. All you need to do is just pull off some of these big stragglers, but leave them in the wrapper, I'm telling you. I'm gonna take these right over to the stove, and this is literally all you need. Let's go. Okay, so I have myself a little pan, and I have all of my garlic cloves that I'm ready to roast, and I have my crazy new stovetop that I'm going to attempt to turn on here. There's so many buttons. Believe it or not, there's 2 on buttons. I mean, come on. So I'm going to turn this to medium heat, and I'm going to go ahead and add my garlic cloves right to my pan. And you kind of want to just place them so that they're on one side per se, and they're not kind of falling all over the place. So I'm going to put them on side 1, and you're going to let these go for 6 minutes. Flip them, and then 6 more minutes, so 12 minutes in total. You'll notice that they're gonna get nice and toasty and brown. So it's been 12 minutes, and look at how perfect these garlic cloves are. They're nice and roasty and toasty. This is what you want, just like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and take one of these bigger ones here. This one caught my eye. And you're just gonna go ahead and peel your garlic. It's very hot, so that's why it looks like it hurts, because it does. The pain. So this is what you get. It's nice and roasted. It has a little caramelization, but this is what makes it actually good. It's so fragrant. You can cut off the little caramelization if you don't want it, but I'm telling you, it makes it. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna take a little bit of this, and I have some toasted bread here. I'm gonna scoop this just like butter, and then the last touch, if you're thinking what I'm thinking, a little bit of olive oil on this. And that's a snack. It's my kind of snack. Talk about fast and delicious roasted garlic. Let's give it a try. It's so good. You don't need anything else in the world but roasted garlic, I swear. Check it out on tastefullygrace.com. You won't regret it. So at blah, blah, blah. Better not get near me tonight.